Hi friends, welcome to the channel gninfo190. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about the Seta A2 series from Silverstone targets Workstation Builds by Colin Smith. This released on 1st November 2024. Tech references silverstonetek and kitgoronet. The Seta A2 series from Silverstone is a new line of mid-tower PC cases designed to cater to both workstation and gaming setups. The series builds on the design of its predecessor and the Seta A1, featuring a sleek aluminum front panel with full perforation to optimize cold air intake and improve cooling performance. The Seta A2 sports a wide range of motherboard form factors from ATX to SSI-CEB and includes up to 8 PCI expansion slots, making it suitable for high-end graphics cards and multiple GPU configuration. The case also boasts extensive storage options with 10 drive cages, 8 at the front and 2 behind the motherboard tray, and can accommodate graphics cards up to 438mm in length. The Seta A2 series is available in black and white gold color options with prices starting at $168.88 for the black model and $188.88 for the white gold model. Excluding taxes, the cases are designed to support up to 11 114 fans and multiple radiators, ensuring excellent cooling capabilities for high performance components. The Seta A2 series is available for purchase available multiple radiators, ensuring excellent cooling capabilities for high performance components. The Seta A2 series is available for purchase through Silverstone's authorized retailers and distributors worldwide, providing our style and powerful solution for both workstation and gaming enthusiasts. Image credit Silverstone. Trend themes number 1. Perforated PC cases will with full perforation such as the Seta A2 enhance cooling performance, addressing the demand for superior thermal management in high performance computing setups. Number 2, multi-GPU sports. The support for multiple GPUs in cases like the Seta A2 opens new avenues for powerful computing solutions in both gaming and professional workstation environments. Number 3, customizable cooling system, versatile cooling option with support for up to 11 140mm fans in the Seta A2 series reflect the growing trend for customizable thermal management solutions in PC builds. Industry implications. Number 1, computer hardware. Innovative features in PC cases like those in the Seta A2 series show the industry's commitment to improving performance and customization for high-end computing needs. Number 2, gaming. The gaming industry benefits greatly from advanced PC cases like the Seta A2 that can accommodate demanding hardware with enhanced cooling and expandability. Number 3, cooling solutions. The demand for robust cooling system as demonstrated by the Seta A2 series highlights opportunities for growth and innovation in the cooling solution industry. I hope you will enjoy this news. Please subscribe my channel GN Info. Have a nice day and goodbye.